Did you know the way you speak has the power to shape your reality? It's true. Words are more than just sounds. They carry energy that influences the universe itself. In this video, we'll dive into Nevill Goddard's teachings on how your words can literally attract what you desire. You'll learn how speaking with intention can unlock the hidden power within you, transforming your life in ways you never imagined. Stick with us till the end, because we're revealing secrets that could change everything you thought you knew about the law of attraction. Welcome to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Words are not just sounds we make. They carry energy and vibrations that can impact our reality. Every word you speak sends out a frequency, and that frequency resonates with the universe. Nevill Goddard believed that speech is deeply connected to our thoughts and feelings. When you speak, you're not just expressing your thoughts, you're reinforcing the energy behind those thoughts. If you speak with intention, you align your words with your desires, shaping the reality around you. Whether it's saying, "I am confident," or "I am abundant," each word strengthens your belief, sending out vibrations that the universe responds to. The law of assumptions states that whatever you assume to be true will eventually become your reality. This means that your assumptions, whether conscious or unconscious, shape the world around you. Now, when you speak, you are reinforcing those assumptions. If you speak in alignment with your desires, you strengthen the belief that they are already true. For example, when you say, "I am successful," you're not just stating a fact, you're programming the universe to respond to that belief. Your words act as a signal to your subconscious mind, which then works to manifest that success into your life. The more you speak with conviction, the more the universe aligns with your assumed reality. Speaking with conviction and confidence is key to making your words powerful. When you speak with certainty, your words carry a stronger energy, and the universe responds more readily to that confidence. If you speak with doubt, your words lose their power, and you send mixed signals to the universe. It's like planting seeds in a garden. You want to plant them with the belief that they will grow, not with uncertainty. For instance, when you say, "I am wealthy," you are affirming abundance in your life. Similarly, saying, "I am healthy," reinforces your belief in your well-being. These simple statements, spoken with confidence, begin to reshape your reality by aligning your energy with your desires. The more you speak these words with assurance, the quicker the universe will respond. The universe, or your subconscious mind, is constantly picking up on the frequency of your words. Every time you speak, you send out vibrations that the universe absorbs and responds to. These vibrations don't go unnoticed. They are the key to attracting your desires. However, it's important to understand that the universe doesn't always deliver an answer immediately. Sometimes the response may take time, but that doesn't mean it's not working behind the scenes. The process of manifestation requires patience and trust. Trust that what you've asked for is already on its way, even if you can't see it right away. Your consistent, confident words set the wheels of creation in motion, and the universe will respond in its perfect timing. To start speaking like this, begin by incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine. Every morning, take a few minutes to speak words that affirm your desires. Say things like, "I am successful," or "I am surrounded by abundance." As you speak, make sure to do it with gratitude and confidence. Feel the emotions behind the words as if they've already manifested. Another powerful practice is to speak as though what you want has already happened. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthy," say, "I am healthy and full of energy." The more you speak this way, the stronger the alignment between your words and the universe's response. Now it's time for you to experiment with this approach and see the results for yourself. Remember, the power of your words is real, and the universe is always listening, ready to respond. Speak with intention, confidence, and gratitude, and watch how your reality begins to shift. Start today and make this practice part of your daily routine. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so feel free to share them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more powerful insights. Keep speaking your truth, and the universe will answer.